Okay, so here on Meshmen Studio Gumroad, I'm gonna link in the description here to these resources. We need this one. It's free, but if you wanna give me a coffee or something, that's fine. You can also donate whatever you want. Download this one, Renderman for Solaris USD asset, and become a texture artist, Mori texture layer episodes. And we're gonna now jump over into Houdini and start to set these up here for a texture artist in mind. Okay, so I went ahead and downloaded these, and we mainly want is the Renderman snail zip. So I'm just gonna unzip this one. So we have this USD here, snail USD, that we want to import into Solaris. And we also want to unzip these textures here. So I'm going to unzip this one, and you will get the base color, disp, linear, roughness, specular, and metallic maps that we now are going to use here to apply into our Lookdev. In the next episode, we're going to take a look at how we can load the object into Houdini. If you want to support my channel, consider dropping a comment in one of the videos with information of upcoming episodes you want to see from Meshmen Studio. See you on the channel. Bye bye.